Today I got some cup holders to replace all of this because this is all like broken and it's not really functional. I normally hold cups here. I normally put cups here, but they just tip. So yeah, I'm gonna change this onto this one. Just needs a little clean, and then just need to yank this one. That was easy. I'm just gonna give it a clean there with some wipes. Should be a straight fit. Just get these together and then slide them in. There we go. Now I can actually sort out this problem here. This noise gets a bit annoying because I'm full of coins here. It's like 5 coins or whatever. I'm gonna grab all the coins. Monies. And then put them in there. Much better. Woohoo! I've got couple. And yeah, that's all. That was a quick video. So see you guys on the next. We were at the scrapyard. Danny came with me, and he got a sensor for his. Is it brake or throttle? Oh, God. Was it brake or throttle?
Brake.
For brake. So now this is the switch. And I was trying to install it and see if it works. We don't even know if it's the exact one, but yeah. Also, my E46 has a slight issue with the lighter. It ain't working. So like whenever turn the radio on,
road trip.
not this one. Right, take it. Whenever I plug this in, there is no light, so let me just check one thing. Such a muppet. There was no problem. It was just switched off. So if I don't know. There you go. It's all connected-ish. Reconnecting the battery there.
Okay.
Nope. Yeah. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Fixed.
What exist?